Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to do a quick, simple tutorial on some shoes. We're going to be working with some shoe eyelets. Now, I have two different type of eyelets. One from Walmart that you obviously can go in and, walk in and get for yourself. And then the other one is from Amazon, and that one, you have to order. But the Amazon one, they do have a lot of different colors, unlike the Walmart one. And then the Walmart one comes with an actual the actual eyelet pliers like these, which I recommend because it's easier than the little kit from Amazon. So the little kit from Amazon is like this. You have all these colors you get. They are both the same size, Walmart and Amazon. And these ones come with washers, and the little tool that it comes with, here's the washers, but the little tool it comes with are these. This one is the punch holes to make it a little wider if you need it wider, and then this is the actual place the eyelet in the place that you want to do it. And then I had to get my own little mini hammer that y'all might want to do. Also, we're going to be working with this leather puncher. This is really good to have as well. This is the little kit for the Walmart. It's the Hyper Tough. And then this is what the eyelets look like. So you got just three main metal colors, which isn't bad. You don't get red, white, blue with like the Amazon one, and then the pliers for the Walmart one, like I said. So pliers I definitely recommend getting because it makes it easier. And then one bad thing I would say about the Amazon one is the back of them aren't split. I don't know if it'll be able to focus, but the back of them don't split, so they're just smushed down, making it harder to do. And then if you use the tool that comes with the actual kit on Amazon, it can mess up because this is just painted. It can mess that up. So that's one downside about that. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you how to do this so we can get this tutorial out the way. Alright, so I got everything pretty much set up, and like I said, this kit from Walmart, this kit right here, I highly recommend you walk into Walmart and buy this because these pliers are really good. And Walmart, they have good quality stuff, and especially this brand. I have some of their drills and stuff like that. So I mean, Amazon has the same thing. You can get a little kit with colors and stuff like that, which I recommend if you want to go to different colors. As you can see, yeah, yellow, purple, you have pretty much almost every color you want. But the eyelets that come from Walmart, they are just metal ones, but they're all the same size. Now the size is, I believe, I'll put in the description, but I believe I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm not going to say a size because I might have it wrong. I forgot the size. I don't think this will say it on here. Nope, it's not telling me. Even on the part I ripped. No. Alright. So, but if you do get this kit without getting the Walmart kit, I recommend to find a mini hammer, because like I said, I will show y'all. But this little leather tool, I'll put in the I will put in the description down below. This have different sizes, and it works really good too. I will show y'all. It's going to show y'all. I took off of one of the customs I did. Required me to take the focusing. It required me to take the check off. So show you how easy it is to use this leather hole punch, which you can put the eyelets in them or whatever you want to do. You just squeeze, and then once you hear that pop, there you go. And it has different sizes as well, so you can also use this if you have big eyelets. You can make bigger holes and stuff like that. So we are going to do the Walmart one first. And this one has no washers. It doesn't need them because the back of them are split. Let's see if I can show you. I don't think it'll show. Let's see. The back of them have splits in them that makes it easier to crush. So that's all it's doing, is crushing that piece that sticks out in the back. So and it has this little piece. You're supposed to go like this. I mean, it really, you can do it both ways, but I find it easier to have it like this to crush the piece. So we are going to move this to the side, and either way it'll work, but I like to use this flat piece to hold the outside, which makes it a little difficult, but the other piece crushes easier. So it pushes in, but it's not crushed on the inside, so it'll push out easy. So we're going to get that crushed and just squeeze. We're not going to hear anything, but it will get tight in the inside, and I don't think y'all be able to tell, but it's crushed in the inside. So that was simple and easy. Now, like I said, we can use a color. The washers help a little, but it depends on how you do it and which tool. So with this tool, like I said, you put the color side down, because if you put it up, it'll scratch the paint up. So and you put the washer over it, and then you get this one without the hole, and then you push that hole into that piece, and you will stick that in, push this, and get your hammer, and you will hammer it and it'll push that. Now, it's kind of dangerous for your hands if you're not used to it, but it will require some patience, time, effort, stuff like that to do that. Now, I like using the tool because it will get the job done easier. So do the same thing as you did to the first one. And just push the little excess leather that came out, and there you go. You have two different brand eyelets, two different colors, and one is shinier than the other, but you have them in a custom that you can do on any shoe that you want to. So yeah, hopefully y'all like this video and y'all learned something. I'll leave everything in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment. If you got any questions, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate y'all for watching.